Raleigh-Durham International Airport typically receives just under 6 inches of snow a year. And we know it doesn't take much to bring this area to a stop when wintry weather is in the forecast. Looking back, the top 5 snowfalls in Raleigh brought more than just everyday routines to a screeching halt, but widespread power outages and record amounts of snow.
Starting at the top of the list, January 25th, 2000. It's a storm that many remember clearly as it set an all-time single-storm snow accumulation record at the Raleigh-Durham International Airport with 20.3 inches. It started snowing shortly after midnight on the 25th and continued for nearly the entire day. That particular January was an unusually active one with 4 winter storms in just 2 weeks. Second on the list was from 1948, when 14.5 inches fell in Raleigh on February 10th. A late season snowfall is third, where just over 11 inches of snow was recorded on March 2nd, 1980. Areas north and east of the Triangle were hit even harder. Parts of Nash, Halifax, and Northampton counties recorded between 22 and 27 inches of snow. Fourth is a winter storm that came shortly after the new year in 2002. Falling between January 2nd and 3rd, 10.8 inches of snow accumulated at the Raleigh-Durham International Airport.
Wrapping up our top 5 snowfalls in Raleigh, we have to look back to February 19th of 1979, where 10.4 inches of snow fell. Back to you.